Hey folks, the clouds have been here all day long. The light rain drizzle kind of passing through from time to time. Nothing heavy, hardly anything measurable, but enough to wet the streets and make you use those windshield wipers and kind of eliminate the outdoor cafe kind of thing today for most places. These are your current temperatures. Still kind of warm in Rio Grande City. Everybody else in the 70s, though, including Harlingen at 70, 73 in Brownsville. Our lows, we don't cool off much tonight. We stay cloudy most of the night and temperatures bottom out in the upper 60s and low 70s. And then tomorrow, look at these highs. It is going to be a very warm day. Now, with these numbers on here, there's a caveat. There's one thing, though, a qualifier, if you will, that a couple of the models are backing off a little bit on tomorrow, saying we may not make 90, 93. We might stay in the mid to upper 80s. Either way, it's still a warm day. It's just a question of whether we're going to reach quite to these numbers, but count on it being very warm. We're going officially 91 tomorrow, and because the front now is slow, this is really tough. You know, it's been waffling, and the fronts are slowing down a little bit, so we're warming Sunday back up to 90, and then Monday's still chilly. So the transition is Sunday night into Monday. As we expected, Monday will be a whole lot cooler. So it's just a question of how hot we end up being tomorrow and Sunday. We know it'll be quite warm, well above average, whether it's 86 or 92. That's what's kind of a question mark right now. Here's your cloud cover, and there's a bunch of it out there, and we've seen some light rain and drizzle from time to time. Push it back and look at the rest of Texas. You can see what's going on, and you notice that there's clouds all over the state. And watch Future Track. It shows that the clouds stick with us most of the night, but then during the daytime tomorrow, they break, and we get a little sunshine out of the thing, and that stays. We go into tomorrow night. We go into Sunday. It's a mix of clouds and sun. Eventually the front comes through, dries the air out, and then Monday is when the clouds come back in. And rain a little bit, maybe kind of like today, a little misty drizzle from time to time, but temperatures 60s, just a little cooler than today. But between now and then, we have a couple days up around 90 degrees. I think we're pretty dry on Saturday and Sunday, and then Monday, about a 20% chance of some showers. Again, the big picture shows the story across Texas. You see still a little moisture kind of pooling out to the west. And the NAM model says that we just deal with the little moisture that's here now and then it's gone. Here comes the front across the state of Texas. It pushes in sometime during the daytime on Sunday. Behind it, it turns cloudy and cooler. So Monday we see a lot of clouds, but by Tuesday, it's a mix of clouds and sun. It looks like our rain chances for most of next week are kind of tapering off. We may get through the week with clouds, but for the most part, a dry week. Traveling, it's spring break, right? Going to San Antonio starts at 67. Dallas very mild in the morning. By afternoon, most of the state warms up nicely, so it'll feel like spring on these first couple of days of spring break around Texas. So for tonight, cloudy and mild, a low of 69. Drizzle will taper off. Then tomorrow, some clouds early, some afternoon sun. The high should be somewhere around 90, 91, but again, some of the models suggesting it stays in the 80s. Either way, it'll be very, very warm. Still warm on Sunday, and then much cooler on Monday, 69 on Monday. And then next week, we keep the clouds in, but we keep temperatures mild, a little below normal, 69, then a bunch of 70s all the way into Thursday, a little warmer on Friday. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.